Hi, hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. Today in this video, let's continue the question series for TNPSC Drug Inspector. Question number 161. Dash have per hydro 1,2 cyclopentanophenane nucleus. Options given are option A steroids, B alkaloids, C amino acids, D proteins. The correct answer is option A steroids. Next question. Volatile oil belongs to the category of options A steroids, B terpenes, C alkaloids and D fixed oils. The correct option is terpenes. So volatile oil belongs to the category terpene. Then next question 163. Terpenes have the molecular formula of option A C10H16, B C15H24, C C20H32 and D C30H50. The correct option is C10H16. Question number 164. Antihistaminic drug diphenhydramine comes under which classification? Option A ethylene diamines, B theophylline, C cyclic basic chain, D amino alkyl ethers. The correct option is option D amino alkyl ethers. Next question, question number 165. Which of the following anti-neoplastic agent comes under alkylating agents? Option A mercaptopurine, B methotrexate, C fluorouracil and D chlorambucil. The correct option is chlorambucil. Next question, question number 166. Urea and diethyl malonic ester are starting material for the synthesis of. The options given are option A procane, B barbiton, C chlorpheniramine, D paracetamol. The correct option or the correct answer is B, option B barbiton. Next question. Pyrimidine analog drug is used in cancer therapy. So which pyrimidine analog drug is used in cancer therapy? Options given are A vinblastine, B thioguanine, C 5-fluorouracil, D methotrexate. So the correct answer is 5-fluorouracil. Next question. The site of action of amphotericin B in fungus. The options given are A peptidoglycan portion of cell membrane, B cell membrane of fungus binding to ergosterol, C LAM portion of cell wall and D demethylase enzyme. And the correct answer is the cell membrane of fungus binding to ergosterol. That is the site of amphotericin B in fungus. Next 169. Penicillin V is. Options given are A ampicillin, amoxicillin, phenoxymethylpenicillin. Last option is phenacylpenicillin. The correct answer is option C phenoxymethylpenicillin. Then the last question 170. Dash is synthesized by Grignard reaction of phenyl to pyridyl ketone with phenyl magnesium bromide followed by catalytic reduction. Options given are option A piperidol, B captodiene, C hydroxine, D benacticin. The correct answer is piperidol. So we have seen 10 questions. Keep on studying. So today's aspirants are the winners in future and my hearty congratulations to everyone who are preparing now. Do like, share and comment our videos and subscribe to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. Thank you all.